So at Fearless Agent, we teach you what it takes to get rich in real estate. And it's simply this. You have to have the right skills, you have to have the right schedule, and you have to have the right systems. So by doing those three things, just the basics, being really, really great at the basics, means you don't have to do a bunch of advanced stuff. So I have students that make $1 million a year who are not special people. They're just really, really great at the basics, and they're putting in the hours that it takes. So if you think Fearless Agent might be a good fit for you, if it is, you're going to get rich. But if you think it might be a good fit for you, I want you to feel free to call me anytime on my cell phone, 480-385-8810, and we'll see if what you're trying to do in your business and what we do at Fearless Agent, if it would be a good fit. If it's not a good fit, that's fine. I'm still going to help you in any other way I can. I got a lot of other ways to help you. You can go to fearlessagentpodcast.com. If you're an Apple iPhone user, you can subscribe on iTunes. It's on Spotify. So look for fearlessagentpodcast.com. Listen to the old episodes towards the newest. At this point, there's about 100 and some, I guess. So listen to those, and then go to fearlessagent.com. Watch all the videos on our website. My guarantee to you is that that would be better coaching than you would pay any other coach in America, any amount of money, and it would be free. And then call me up if you like what you see, if you think it might be a good fit. When you call me, there's not going to be anybody closing you. There's no high pressure. We're just going to see if it's a good fit, and then you decide when you want to sign up, or if you want to sign up, that's fine. But I will say this, I can't wait to make you a Fearless Agent. Thanks.